everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss rec name attribute in Odoo. The rec name attribute is used to specify the field that should be used as the display name for records in user interface. This value would be shown whenever the record is displayed, such as in meritor field or list view. Today I will show you how a model works with and without rec name. For that, let's go to Python, and here I have created a model travels.management, and I have already also installed a model sale.order and added a field booking having one relation with travels.management. Now let's install this module and create some records. I'm going to create a record. So here you can see the label for this record is travels.management, 1. That is the model name, record ID. Let's create another one. The label name is also same, travels.management, its record ID. We can set the record label as booking reference, which is T0002 in this case, using the rec name attribute. Before that, let's check our meritor field. Here, the label of the record are also model name, their record ID. So this is how a model without using rec name work. Now let's go to Python and set a rec name. A rec name should be a field. So I'm going to set a rec name as a booking reference. Now let's run the code and go to Odoo and then our module. Here you can see the label has been changed to booking reference. Now let's check our meritor field also. So the labels of the records in the meritor field have also been changed. So that's about rec name attribute. Thank you.